We are back at another video, and I'm gonna shout out Fulton to every video till he notices. And once again, Fulton, if you're watching this, shout out to you, my boy. I would love to do a video with you. I might not be a very popular YouTuber like you, but I'd love to once make a video with you. Hey, eat. Okay, whatever. I'm just fine like this one. Yeah, no. Hey, you are. I'm not going in this. Okay, I don't have other choice, do I? Yeah, I took a nice swim. Go around in my comments. Ask me to make a video only in the sea because I'm not gonna do it. I hate. Oh, hell no. Heck no. Okay. Oh, heck no. Look at that flipping thing. Oh, I'm gonna get eaten. Oh no, I can't. And also, shout out to EY Stream. Make waves, in other words. Yeah, yo, make waves, EY. Jordan, my boy. I'd love also to do a video of you in Minecraft. So, shout out EY. Oh no, he's my size. I have to stop that guy before he does something he shouldn't. Sit down, boy. No, that burping sound is not me, it's the game, okay? Don't keep going crazy in my comments saying I keep burping in my videos. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum. Oh, I actually like that shit. Where am I now? Yum, yum, yum. Oh, yes, sir. I am cooking right now. That's only guy keeps interrupting me. That's very rude of you. Sorry guys. I just won. I shouldn't be sorry, should I? What the heck is going on? Okay, whatever. How late is it now? Let me check. I'm watching. Oh, it's almost. I've been here for 3 hours. Holy moly. Bro, don't be dancing next time. I don't like dancing people. When you may dance is the viewers like and subscribe. Hey, yeah, they dance, so you have to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe now. Or I'm gonna come to you. No guys, that was a joke. Don't report me to YouTube. Oh, I almost put this whole island in my mouth. Holy moly. Hey, get in my mouth, thank you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Hey, stop burping me in the game. Hey, get back over there. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah, get in here, well, I don't like your sound. I hate that sound, not even lying, guys. That sound is freaking horrifying. It literally sounds worse than the blue. Like, listen to this. If you hear that, you are running for your life, wouldn't you? Holy moly, I hate that sound like crazy, guys. I'm numbing everyone right now. Is that for the G word or something? Cause he keeps going like, oh, that's sus, ayo. Hey, stop that, I don't like that. Okay guys, see you in the next one.